How to take a screenshot of WhatsApp DP. So if you want to take a screenshot of WhatsApp DP, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, open up your WhatsApp and then choose the profile picture that you would like to take a screenshot of. Once you have the profile picture, now try taking a screenshot. Once you take screenshots, here it says taking screenshots isn't allowed by the application or your organization. So if you get this kind of problem, then what you need to do is simply go back and then take a smaller view of the profile. So once you have this kind of interface, simply go with a screenshot and you'll be able to take a screenshot, right? So once you've taken the screenshot, now you need to go back and open up your gallery or your albums and open up the screenshot that you've just taken. Go for edit, which is here on the bottom left, and then you need to crop that image. So crop the image, and in this way you'll be able to have the image of the profile picture. So that's it. That's how you can take a screenshot of WhatsApp DP. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.